put foundation on this area so that it's not so undone.
So I'm using MAC Face and Body Foundation for the body here.
I know that Scott Barnes used Chanel. I don't have Chanel, but I do have Dior. So Dior.
And I'm going to mix it with a little bit of Kevin Aquan, the Glass Glow base, to make it a little bit more illuminating.
Love that. I'll use Iconic London.
Perfect. So it's all about mixing, you guys, making the correct formula for you.
Ooh, yes. Hello. I feel like I need a bigger brush. It's going to take a while. We're going to be here for a bit. So now we're just, wherever we contoured, I'm just tapping. Look at this.
OMG, I'm like so tan. And I'm just going to put a little bit on the hands just to keep it more of the glowy effect.
Feeling good.
Wow, she is tan.
Yeah, so hands, very important. Because you don't want to take a picture like this. Ooh. I do find the manicures look so good with tan hands.
Definitely.
Look, do you see the difference? All right, so now we'll blend out this contour.
So I'm just starting here in the neck area.
Yep, and I start at the cheek and I'm blending up so that I don't bring the darkness down. Instead, it goes a little bit higher up to lift everything. Lift and shift. I'll let my jaws cook a little longer. So it's really serious. Yeah, this product, it's good. It's very emollient, and I think what helps is we really moisturize our skin well so that nothing is really sticking. There's no dry spots.
We look a little crazy, but I promise the result is everything. You cannot judge makeup until it's done.
Exactly, I agree.
Because
there's so many more layers that are going to go on top of this. And what we're doing is we're adding warmth. And then on the lips, we're just kind of patting a little bit. We don't want to completely remove it. I'm using a nose contour brush. What I like to do is just kind of, see, go upwards motion. Again, we don't want to bring darkness down. We want to keep it up as high as possible. The point of this makeup is to be completely filterless and not face-tuned.
I'm obsessed with this concealer.
I know, isn't it like there's no texture, right? It's beautiful.
Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm going to mix the face and body again with MAC Pro Longwear.
Alright, and I am mixing the Dior with Laura Mercier.
Ooh.
Yes. I would love to try Scott Barnes foundation. I know he has some already, and he's probably working on more.
Yes, Scott Barnes, we are your ambassadors.
And we'll represent 100%. Yeah, blend all these more harsh lines. Yeah, everything is in layers. And you have to take your time, especially with a foundation. You really want to blend, blend, blend. Because the moment that you rush, it'll be obvious that you're wearing makeup. See, like it doesn't look like makeup.
Yes, look at this. And it's got a little glow going on. I love it.
It's like she was born with it.
I wish.
And so tapping motions all throughout. That creates control. Okay.
Yours looks perfect.
So does yours. So we're just perfecting the concealer now that the foundation is on and blended. I'm excited to do the eyes.
Me too.
I feel like Scott Barnes does the eyes so quickly in the video. He's a magician. And look at this brush. Isn't this amazing?
Yes.
Dual fiber. It's not just for your body. Why stop at the body when you can do the face?
Scott Barnes, we're coming for you. We got all these quotes that you say.
Yes, we're going to keep quoting Scott Barnes because we love his dad jokes. Because he's the coolest.
Yeah.
He's so nice. Like, he actually likes our pictures and communicates with us. No matter how many followers he has, he's always here. So I think that speaks volumes about Scott Barnes. We need to set this.
Yes.
Okay, powder.
What are you using?
Well, I have Scott Barnes powder.
Ooh.
This is for under the eyes.
Okay.
And this one is for all over.
Ooh, I love
a little bit of sparkle throughout, not a lot. It just gives you a little something.
I am going to be using the Ingloss Hydrating Powder.
Love Ingloss.
I love it. So I love using pressed powder because I feel like it gives more coverage instead of translucent.
Yes, I love it too. Yeah, and then you don't have to bake as much.
Yes.
Wherever we applied highlighter, I'm going in with the lighter powder. And wherever we applied darker, we'll go with the darker powder. So what's next?
We are doing the Glowy and Showy highlighter palette by Mr. Scott Barnes.
Glowy and Showy.
Okay.
Glowy and Showy or Showy.
Oh, that's what you were laughing about? I didn't get it until now.
Yes.
Okay, we are using the Glowy and Showy highlighter palette. What brush are you going to be using?
Well, obviously the Scott Barnes fan brush.
Because I'm a fan, right? So we're going to use literally
Everything.
the whole thing.
Everything.
So don't be scared. So I'm going to go in with this.
Okay. Oh, she goes for it really.
I really go for it.
Oh my
Go
gosh.
ahead, honey.
Okay. See, I kind of like take my time on each one. Okay, let's see. Ready?
Yes, let's do
So we're
it.
going to start with the upper cheeks. Ooh.
Look, you see that? So pretty.
Stop it. This gets, this is my reaction every time. Like you would
I
think this
know.
is the first time I use it. No.
It's not.
This is an everyday reaction.
He literally did not disappoint with these products. Like, oh my
No,
god.
these products are so amazing and I'm so happy that we get to represent this brand.
Yes.
And we get a discount, so now we get to buy a bunch of this.
Yes!
Because one is never enough.
Mm-hmm.
We'll get back to the brow bone again, but you can never have enough brow bone. I'm just going to apply a little bit on the bridge of the nose. Just a tiny, tiny bit. And then what I like to do is do just the very tip of the nose, little triangular shape, as Axel taught us. I used to just circle. I think triangle is better.
And I'm literally not going to go in with more product. Anything that I have left, I'm just going to dust it all over my face to give me the overall glow.
Ooh, razors!
Yes!
Razors!
Love
So
it.
now we need to really think about the body. We want the body to match the face, right?
Definitely.
So we are going to use one of Scott Barnes' tricks, and it is, ta-da! Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Body Mist SPF Sunscreen. Who would have thought that it can be so good and multifunctional?
Of course, and I'm going to do it on you. So,
Okay, can I do it on you? Yes, I'm ready. Ooh. Oh yeah.
love.
Oh yeah. Ooh. The shoulders, the neck, and look at that. We are glowing.
We're going to put more highlighter, you guys. I know, we're extra. I'm sorry. And now we're going to put it in the body. So,
Love it.
ooh, right there. Yes.
Here, oh yeah. You guys need this in your life because look how much excitement it gives. And this is daily excitement.
Imagine being this happy every day because of Scott Barnes.
Yeah, I feel like we're like in a Trolls movie.
That's actually so funny.
Be happy.
Yes, not without Scott Barnes anymore.
Yeah, it's never enough.
Oh my god, Yelena, you can actually sing.
Oh, you know? I've been lip syncing all this time.
I was like, wait, she can actually sing.
She's a little bit shy. I'm feeling like myself now.
Yes, 100%.
But we are going to feel even more like ourselves if we use this Scott Barnes Sculpting and Contour #1 palette. And you know what makes me so excited about #1? So there's going to be #2.
You're
And possibly 3 and 4 and 5. And
Oh my
we're
gosh.
here for it.
Yes.